Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometry step by step. First, let's grasp the fundamental concepts. Trigonometry is all about the relationships between the angles and sides of triangles, especially right-angled ones. We'll focus on the three primary ratios: sine, cosine, and tangent. Understanding these will be your first big step. We'll also cover how to apply them to solve simple problems, building a strong foundation for more complex topics. Next, we'll dive deeper into the specific trigonometric ratios. Remember SOHCAHTOA to easily recall sine as opposite over hypotenuse, cosine as adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent as opposite over adjacent. We'll also explore the values for special angles such as 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. Knowing these by heart will significantly speed up your calculations. Practice applying these to various right-angled triangles. Now, let's tackle trigonometric identities, which are crucial for simplifying expressions and solving equations. The identity sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1 is a cornerstone. We'll also look at practical applications, such as determining the height of a building or the distance across a river using angles of elevation and depression. Consistent practice with different problem types will solidify your understanding and boost your confidence. Finally, consistent practice is key to mastering trigonometry. Work through numerous examples and exercises from your textbook and online resources. Don't hesitate to revisit topics that seem challenging. Regular review sessions, perhaps once a week, will help cement the concepts in your mind. Remember, the more you practice, the more intuitive trigonometry becomes. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.